Today we have this Gold Aventador SVJ producing 770 horsepower, 530 pound-feet of torque. Car going up to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. This is a shocker. This is honestly such a good looking car. So much carbon fiber with the spoiler, the back rear diffuser, black spoked out wheels, bronze brake caliper on there. Take a better look at that. As we look at the inside, have suede leather seats, carbon buckets. Honestly, such a well spec. Such a well built spec. Got SVJ and carbon fiber floor mats. Wow. The seat is super soft, super comfortable. When we talk about an SVJ, this is what I think about. Naturally aspirated B12 engine in this. B12 right there. Carbon fiber engine bay. Man, I can stare at this car all day. Just so well built. Love the carbon fiber mirror caps as well. This is available right now. We'll be going on our showroom. So if you would like to come see it, test drive it, just come to Lamborghini North Houston. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.